Hi, today I'll show you a small island where I spent 4 days on my journey through the Malay Peninsula. So before going to Borneo to meet my relatives, I wanted to climb a few mountains, and one of them was on the island Tioman. It's called Gunung Kajang in Malay. It was my first time seeing a primary forest, and I absolutely wanted to share it with you, so enjoy it! I finally found the place I spotted from the boat, and it's awesome. It's perfect for the hammock. So first night on island Tioman, I set up the camp a little bit too near to the water, so I had to relocate to the shore. Gonna bubbles, and now I'm 2 meters over the entrance. So this is where I'm swimming, and let me show you the shoes I got here. It's crossover from Salomon. They're really good. And they saved me a few times on the way here. So when you're outside in the rainforest, get stuff that dry fast, like scrubs and thin clothes. Only the coast of the island is inhabited, so after a few minutes of walking, you find yourself in an untouched primary forest, and it was awesome. Just look at the pictures. So over the days I did a few treks, but I couldn't go up the mountain since the guides didn't want to go up. It was really dangerous. It was raining all the time. The last day I had to pack really early at 4 a.m. to go to the meeting point for the ferry boat. So that's it for Bayan. I have to come back to bag the Gunung, but that's how it is. Pretty disappointing, but yeah, so I had a lot to do. So my last day there was the first one without rain, so I had to dry up a lot of stuff and took the opportunity to take some pictures of the village by night. I will be going there soon since the forest is really easy to reach and it's a beautiful mountain.